Louis Vuitton was just 14 when he left the Jura on a journey to Paris, where he learned to master carpentry. Carpentry, which he used to engineer crinoline petticoats. For Empress Eugenie, Louis became a man of note. Noted by the world of fashion, his fame was gracious and still dominates fashion today. Always creative, always audacious. Audacious, synonymous with his name, where art and craftsmanship soon became, from Capucine to Agnières, sources of innovation beyond compare. Comparing his customers' needs, his intuition of an age of greater travel than any before. He invented the flat trunk, the first modern luggage, the famous S-lock, an unpickable thief block, the mini trunk, and so much more. More cases, accessories, and custom luggage, visionary in all types of voyage. Savognin de Brazza's camp bed trunk for explorers caused a sensation amongst the influencers. Influencing the 30s as women found a voice, Louis Vuitton's new Keepall gave them a choice of purses to carry that are now fashion icons. Iconic is the monogram LV, standing for true artistry. Art nourished by travel, then further enhanced by Sprouse Murakami evolving in a dance. Dance of creative genius soaring onward and up, like the wind-blown sails of the America's Cup. Cup sails that echo the avant-garde lines of the foundation, a symbol that defines the courage beloved of Louis Vuitton.